Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the super duper cute little frog Keroppi. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, maybe subscribe. All of that would be really cool of you. Alright, so to start drawing Keroppi, I'm going to start with two big circles for eyes. So let's see, one big circle. And the second one. And we're going to do our best to make these circles the same size, but it's okay if they're not perfect. Alright, so right here we're going to do a circle. And right here we can do like a little upside down U. Okay, I'm going to color in this circle all black. I'll probably go over that later with a marker and make sure it's really colored in well. Okay, so next let's do the shape of the face. So I'm going to start at about like right here, right there. And on this side, I'm going to put a little line about right there. And I'm going to carefully draw the shape of the face. It's a really rounded shape. All right, there we go. And I'm going to do a circle right here for a cute little rosy cheek. And same on this side. I have little blushy cheeks. And then he's going to have a little V-shaped mouth. Like that. And now let's work on the body. So I'm going to do a line coming down this way a bit. And over here as well. But right here, let's do a little foot. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 toes. And then curve to make the shape of a foot. Kind of looks like a flower. And I can bring this line down and meet up with that foot. And on this side, we can bring our line over here. And thicken it up a little bit. And we can do another little foot with 1, 2, 3 little froggy toes. And now we need little hands. So 1, 2, 3 little froggy fingers. And same on this side. So 1, 2, 3 little froggy fingers. And now let's do some stripes on the shirt. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. You can kind of design any sort of t-shirt, any sort of outfit for them. But there we go, we are done our drawing, and I'm going to get started with some colors. All right, everyone, we are finished our super duper cute little Keroppi. So let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next. And I just have to say thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, super wonderful, super day. And I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye, everybody.